Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is my day off, first day off. So we're gonna start cleaning up with these. I have a little garden here, guys. I usually plant like vegetables up here, like tomatoes, like that, just those little stuff that we can use a lot at home. We don't need to buy at the store. So today, because there's, as you can see, there's a lot of those long grasses up here, so I will gonna clean them. So we have to buy a weed eater. So today we bought these. We thought this is gas, but it's electric. So we have a charger here. This is Craftsman. So we bought this at Menards. It's like $99 or $100. They're on sale. So we thought it is gas, but oh well, we'll work with these. We don't want to go back. So let's try and clean this up, guys. I guess you push these and this one together to turn it on. So you push these and this one together to turn it on. So let's get this started, guys.
Hold it?
Yeah, like not like that long, but yeah, like
I feel like I'm the right man.
ini akong karne naman. Guys, yung battery ng weed eater ko, naku, wala na. Naglo-low battery na siya, guys. So i-charge natin. At least na clean ko yung na-clean ko yung bottom part. So tingnan natin yung garden ko. Kailangan ko i-clean, guys. Yan. Yan, itong spring onion, umano lang siya. I planted last year of spring onion, so yan ang bumalik. Ito yung mga ipaplant ko. Na na siya, kailangan ko nang i-plant. Hi guys, nako. Nag-change ng plan, so I need to put the garden down there to here. So I put my son to work at my house. say hi to the Maya. Say hi. Hi. I'm enjoying the outside. You're crazy, though. What are you doing? Come on. Help me. Alas 9 na ng hanlap ng gabi, guys. Gabi na. Bukas ko na to. I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. Yun lang yung video natin today, guys. I need to get my garden bed ready for my plants that I need to plant. No, vegetables that I need to plant. So, yeah. Kasi gabi na, guys. Naku. So, here's Brayden helping me. So, we'll put that back there, Brayden.
It's good to have a window also.
She won't need no window.
She doesn't need window.
It's just a storage building. So nobody be staying inside of to look in and out.
I need a window.
You don't need no window. Just an extra place.
Alright, guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!
So this,
Hey guys, say bye!
you can use this.
Ina-ignore naman nila. Alright, ako na lang. Bye guys! See you in my next one. Don't say bye! Here's Maya! Here's my Maya girl! Say bye, Maya. Come on. Bye! Bye! See you in our next video!